Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain exercise 20. See the first problem. Write 74800014 in words. In words. Okay. Here they are asking to write the number name of the given number. Here the number is in the international system. So you write this as 7,000,000. 480,000 80,000 14. Okay, see the second problem. Prime factors of 91 in index form. Okay, see index form they are asking here. Already you know what is index form, and they are asking to use only prime factors. So 91. I hope it will go in 70. 7 ones, 7 threes. Okay. Next 13 ones. Okay. So 91 is equal to 7 power 1 into 13 power 1. Okay. Here 17 and 113 is there. You have to write 7 power 1 into 13 power 1. See the third problem. How many centimeters in 7 3/4 meters? They are asking how many centimeters in 7 3/4. Already you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Here they given 7 3/4 meters. Convert this into improper fraction 31/4 meters. You have to convert this into centimeters by multiplying with 100. How many times it will go, Nana? 25 times. 4 will go in 125 times. 31 25 is how much? It is 775 centimeters. Okay, 7. You have to multiply 31 and 25 to get the answer. Here, meters convert into centimeters. That's why you should multiply that with 100. Okay, to simplify that to get the answer is 775 centimeters. See the fourth one. What is 11/100 of a rupee? Okay. See 11/100 of a rupee is how much here they are asking. Okay, now how much the value of 11/100 of a rupee? So already you know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So you have to find 11/100 of a rupee. 11/100 of a rupee. So 11/100 of a rupee is equal to, okay, 11/100 into 1 rupee is 100 paise. So here this will get cancelled. 11 paise. So 11/100 of a rupee is 11 paise. See the fifth one. Circle the prime numbers. 31, 61, 69, 71, 81, 97. So you are very well known to the prime numbers. The prime numbers means it has only 2 factors. So those we have to circle here. This 31 is a prime number and 61 is a prime number. But observe here 69, 6 plus 9, 15, it will go in 3 table. Next 71 is a prime number and 81 it will go in 3 and 9 and 97 is a prime number. Okay, here they are asking to circle the prime numbers. See the sixth problem. 3/4 of a score. 3/4 of a score plus 3/4 of a dozen. Okay, na? See, already you know 1 score is equal to 20. Half means multiplication. You have to write down the units per square and 3/4 into dozen. See here 4 how many times will go? 5 times, and here it will go in 3 times. 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, that is 24. Okay, now the answer is 24. Here they are asking to find 3 by 4 of a square plus 3 by 4 of a dash. Half means multiplication, 3 by 4 into 1 square which 20 plus 3 by 4 into 1 dozen is 12. We have to cut 20 with 4. 4 will go in 25 times, and here also it will go in 3 times. 3 5s are 15 plus 3 3s are 19. So you have to add 15 and 9 to get the answer is 24. Okay. See the next problem, 7th problem. Mahesh earns 3 hours, 3 rupees an hour. 3 rupees an hour. Okay, Pusha. The amount he earns in 9 hours is equal to dash rupees, is dash rupees. Okay. Here he did some work and he got 3 rupees per hour, and he worked 9 hours. How much amount he earned they are asking here. Okay, now here for hour they paid 3 rupees. 1 hour they paid 3 rupees for Mahesh, and he did 9 hours work. How much amount he earned they are asking here question. See, first you have to write amount he earns. Amount, he means Mahesh here. Amount Mahesh earn in 1 hour. In 1 hour is equal to rupees. Amount Mahesh earn in 9 hours. In 9 hours. So that is rupees 3 into 9. Okay, now that is rupees 27. So he got 27 rupees. Okay, now for 9 hours. See the 8th problem. The prime factors of 468 are. Here they are asking to write prime factors. So you have to do long division with prime numbers. 468 is an even number, so it will go in even prime. Already you know 2 is the only even prime, so you have to divide 2 times, and here 3 times, 4 times. Again 234 is even, again you have to do with 2 ones are, again in 3 2 how many times will go? 1 time. 2 ones are 2, and you have to subtract 2 from 3. The remaining value is 1. We have to keep here 1, it is 14. So 170. 2 7s are 14. See 117, sum of the digits we have to take 1 plus 1 plus 7, because it is an odd, you have to check with 3 table. Observe the numbers and you have to apply the divisibility rules. Here 117 is an odd number, so you have to apply 3 divisibility rule, whether it is divisible or not you have to check. 1 plus 7, that is 9. So sum of the digits is 9, so it is divisible by 3. So you have to divide with 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, now we have to subtract 9 from 11. 11, the remaining value is 2, so it will become 27. How many times 3 goes in 27? 9 times. Again 3 plus 9 is 12, it will go in 3 table, 3 ones and 3 threes. Okay, now see 13 is a prime number. Write down here prime factors for that. 2 into 3 into 3 into 13. 3 into 13. Okay, this is the prime factors for 468. See the next problem, 9th problem. So they are asking to find the product 435 into 102. Okay, now see, if you did the normal method, it takes somewhat time. That's why you should use distributive property. So you have to write for 102 as 100 plus 2 and apply the distributive property. That means you have to multiply this 435 with these two numbers. 435 into 100 plus 435 into 2. So it is 435 plus 10, 7, 8. Okay, 870. So you have to add these two. 0, you have to add from units digits onwards. So 0 plus 7, 7, 8 plus 5, 13, 3 plus 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 7, 0 is the answer. Okay, so it is easy to, you feel very comfort to do the multiplication in this way. Okay, na? 435 into 102 is equal to 44370. See the 10th problem. A car travel 240 kilometers in 4 hours. In 4 hours. Okay, now what distance will the car travel? Will the car travel in 7 hours? In 7 hours. Okay, na dash kilometers. See, once we have to read this problem. Here, this problem is belonging to the unitary method. Here, the car travels 240 kilometers in 4 hours. That means the distance covered in a car in 4 hours is 240 kilometers. What distance will a car travel in 7 hours? They are asking. So first you have to find for how much distance it covers in 1 hour. Okay, na? Unitary method means you have to find for one. You have to find for one. After then you have to find for many of those. What they are asking, you have to find them. See, distance traveled by a car. Distance traveled by a car in 4 hours is equal to 240 kilometers. Here it covers 240 kilometers in 4 hours. So you have to find for 1 hour distance covered by a car in 1 hour traveled by a car in 1 hour. So that is 240 kilometers divided by 4. So 4 6 are 4 zeros. So it covers 1 hour is 60 kilometers. Next you have to find distance covered. Here the question they are asking how much distance is covered in 7 hours. In 7 hours is equal to. So 60 into 7 kilometers. That is 420 kilometers. We have to keep the units compulsory. Otherwise they did give marks for that. If you write 420, they didn't correct that. So you have to mention the units here. The distance is measured in kilometers. So you have to keep the units. Here the question is in also kilometers. If suppose they given in meters, you have to give meters. If suppose they given centimeters, you have to give centimeters like that. So here the distance covered by a car in 7 hours is 420 kilometers. So today's class completed. I will send notes. Everybody should follow the notes also.